Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Sessions, and today we will learn how to create charts from given data in Excel. Charts are one of the important functionality. It helps audience to visualize the data in decision making or comparison study. In the example sheet, we have 6 months sales data of different products. To create the chart, the first step is to select the data. So I'm selecting A1 to D7. The next step is to insert a chart. Go to Insert tab and under Charts group, select any chart options. Now Excel is showing different charts option here. In this example, we are creating the bar chart. So click on the bar chart option and under 2D option, select first option, which is clustered column. The chart is inserted in the same sheet. So in the chart, currently months are on the x-axis and it is showing sales volume of each product in a particular month. So in January month, sales of mobile is maximum, whereas in February month, sales of mobile is minimum among all the three products. To show the products on x-axis, we can switch the column or row. To switch the row or column, select the chart, go to chart design menu option and under data group, click on switch row column option. Chart is now showing products on x-axis and for each product you can compare the monthly data. By default, chart shows legend at the bottom. To change the location of the legend, select the chart, go to chart design menu option. Under charts layout group, click on add chart element option. Now it is showing different chart elements. Go to the legend option and select right. Now the legend is on the right of the chart. You can also change the chart elements using the plus sign on the right side of the chart. Click on plus sign and under chart elements, legend is already selected. Click on arrow and select left option. The legend are now left of the chart. To show the axis title, select the chart, click on plus sign, select axis titles option. The titles are now added on both axes. Now click on the title box and change the title. Write product on the x-axis title and sales volume on the y-axis title. To change the chart title, select the title box and change the title. Enter monthly sales volume. Click outside the chart. You can change the font name, style or color of the chart title or the axis title. Select the title and change the font color. In charts, we can add data labels for each data point or bars. To add the data labels, select the chart, click on the plus sign, select data labels options. The sales data is now visible on each bar. To change the position of the data labels, click on the arrow for the data labels and select center option. The data labels are now visible in the center of the bars. Instead of the data labels, we can show the data tables within the chart. So select the chart, click on the plus sign, remove the data labels and select the data table. The data table is now visible on the chart. To remove it, uncheck the data table and to show the data labels again, select the data tables box. Similarly, we have created a bar chart for the total sales of last 6 months. To add a trend line on a graph, select the graph, click on the plus sign and select trend line option. The default trend line option is linear. To change the style and color of the graph, select the graph, click on the chart design option and select any chart style or color option. For the style and color, we can also select the chart styles options and it will show both style and color for the chart. Select any style and select any color. So in this way, you can change the color of the bars or can change the style of the chart. If you have the multiple bars, you can use different color combination for the bars. Select the chart, go to the chart design and in change color option, use different color combination. Similarly, you can change the style of the chart also. To change the chart type, select the chart, go to the chart design menu option and in type group, click on change chart type option. Excel will show different chart options on the left hand side. Select any type and Excel will show corresponding charts in which you can select any suitable chart as per your requirement. So if I select pie chart, click OK. Now the bar chart is converted to pie chart. You can add the legend of the chart, select the chart, click on the plus sign, select the legend, and the legend will be displayed on the right side. If you want to change the position, select a different position. Excel provides recommended chart options. To use recommended chart options, select the chart, go to the chart design menu option, and in the type group, select change chart type, select recommended charts tab, and now you can select any recommended charts. So if I select the first chart, which is the line chart, click OK, and the chart is now converted into the line chart. Change X axis title to month and change Y axis title to total sales. Now I'm changing the chart type. So select change chart type, go to the pie and click OK. Now to format the data series, select the inside chart, right click and select format data series option. In format data series option, under series options, you can change the angle of first slice and pie explosion, increase the angle of the first slice and the first data slice, which is January month in our case, will rotate by the selected angle. So if I enter 45, it will change 45 degree from the initial position. Similarly, increase the pie explosion and the individual pie will be visible clearly. To change the width and height of the chart, select the chart area, right click and select Format Chart Area option. Select Size and Properties options. Now you can change the height and width. So increase the height and reduce the width of the chart. So in this way, you can create different charts in Excel to represent your data so that audience can easily visualize it. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get notification of new videos. Share your suggestion, feedback and query in comment section. Thanks for watching.